In this instructional video, I'm going to explain how to participate in this course. First of all, go to your browser and type www.educationpyramid.com. You will reach to this page. On this page, you go to top menu bar and click iSchool. On the iSchool, you enter your username and password. For this instructional video, I have made a dummy student account, typing the username and then password. Then click login. This is the training site, iSchool. On this page, you will find the list of courses in which you are enrolled. Here we have a social study course, International School Award, ISA. Click here. Now you are on your course page, and title is International School Award, British Council, e-learning project, social study. The names of the participating schools are also mentioned here, and then you can find the name of the project leaders and the course teacher and the support teachers. In this page, we have three sections. One is the introduction, second, pre-course activities, and third, we have on the topic French Revolution of 1789. In this section, we have different learning resources. So I will go one by one from each section. In the introduction section, we have you can find three links. One is the notice board. Notice board, you click here. So here I have uploaded one message. I welcome all students in this short-term social study course. This course is a part of e-learning project and so on. Make it habit that whenever you log in, try to see is there any new information or new notice. Then you click this course link, which is ISA-SS 2014. Okay. Here we have general course discussion forum. If you have anything that you want to discuss with the entire group, including teachers and other participating students, and you feel that this is relevant to all the members, then you can initiate discussion in this forum by clicking add a new discussion topic. Let's say topic is about the final examinations, and then you click here, may I know the duration of the final quiz. And this is general question, and I think this is relevant to everybody. When teacher will read, she will give the answer. Student may answer to this question. So click here, post to forum. So here you can see this is the question from the student. Other members, they will log into this page. They will see this discussion forum. They will click here, they will read it, and they will answer. Next is glossary. Glossary means the database of vocabulary or the difficult words or terminology which we have used in this course. For example, here you can see at different places there are certain words which are highlighted. For example, you have the French Revolutions and then we have ISA. What is the difference in these two links? French Revolution, actually you see here there is one resource known as the French Revolution. So this particular link is highlighted due to the availability of this resource. But if you take the cursor and you find the question mark and it shows the glossary, it means the meanings of this particular abbreviation or the word is available in the glossary. So you simply click here and you can find the meaning in the pop-up window. It is International School Award, British Council. The second section is the pre-course activities. Here we have uploaded a diagnostic test or a survey. We call it a pre-course survey. You will simply click here, and then on this page it is shown answer the questions. Click here, and then we have asked different questions. For example, have you participated in online learning? Yes, click yes, otherwise say no. How much time you can allocate to study this course during a week? Let's say 1 hour. How much, how many marks are you expecting in this course? Say at least 90%. Can you complete all weekly activities before the start of next week? Yes. Can you complete all activities independently, or do you need teacher support? You can say I need some support from teacher in completing all the activities in time. How comfortable you are in reading and writing in English? So let's say I am comfortable, and if you find some difficulty you can select any other choice. How beneficial is the course website for you? You can say very much beneficial. What do you know about the French Revolution? So just simply write here, I have no idea about this revolution. And then you submit your answers. Here you notice you have different links, and it requires certain input from each student. Before I go into these links, let me show you the grade book, because when you are participating in these activities, so your achievements are recorded into the grade book. How to access the grade book? You can see the admin block. Alright, so I click the grade, and here you can see different marks of different learning activities. Like lesson activity, the total marks 10, then practice quiz 10, online assignment 10, discussion assignment 10, final quiz 60 marks, so total 100. So in this way your grade book is compiled. Now we go back to the course page, and let's see the handouts. You click here, and here you will find one pop-up window. This is the reading material on the subject. You can, if you want, you can also save this document on your desktop. Okay, then the French Revolution, this is the link from the Wikipedia. So you just click here, and you will find as an embedded document. And if you want to change the language from English, you can just go on the left side, you can find the list of languages. For example, if you click Arabic, and you will see all detail is written in Arabic. Okay, then next activity is the lesson activity. Here you will find the contents. Here we have button French Revolution. Click this button. You play this video.
At the end of the 18th century, the most glorious kingdom in Europe would face a mighty foe, the power of its own people. One man would rise to inspire the nation to cast aside a reluctant king and a hated queen. And a new republic would be born in...
Okay, you will finish all this video till the end. And then you will click this button, answer the questions. And here we have asked 2 questions. French Revolution occurred at the end of, you select one. For example, let's say we select 16th century. When you submit, since it is the wrong answer, so it will show, unfortunately you cannot earn this 1 point. So but you have the opportunity to do it again. So yes, I would like to try again. I click here. If you want, you can go back to the video and try to find what the exact time. Once you have finished this, you will see this green bar. It will show 100%. Moment you complete this lesson, the 10 points will be added into the gradebook. Go back to the course main page. After finishing the lesson, then we have the practice quiz. You click here. Here it shows the time limit, which is 10 minutes. You press the button attempt quiz now. Start the attempt. You will see here the clock, and out within 10 minutes I have to finish these 20 questions. So you will select the answers one by one. Once you finish, then click the next button. So it shows the status, yes, all questions have been answered. And then you submit all and finish. Again submit all and finish. It shows that out of 10 I got only 1 point. So most of the answers are wrong. So all the wrong answers are shown in the red, and if there is any correct answer, it will be shown in the green. Now here the important point that I want to mention, that this is a practice quiz. Practice quiz means this activity will help you to correct your concepts. So once you have shown this report where your answers are not correct, so you just analyze it. What is the reason of these wrong answers? You will go back to the handouts, or you will attend the lessons and try to find out the correct answers. You can also go back to the course main page and repeat this attempt. You can repeat this quiz as many times as possible, and I advise that you continue this quiz till the time you reach to the 100% marks. So maybe in the second or third attempt you will get full marks. Next is the online assignment. You click on this link. We have asked 6 questions. Question number 1, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protest in France. And similarly the other questions. And this is the rubric, how you will be graded in the assignment. We have 3 parameters. One is the level of your study, number 2, level of your understandings, and then completeness, whether you have completed your task or not. So if no efforts are put in the study, you will be getting 0 point. If teacher feels that some efforts are put in, then 1 point will be awarded, and for the extraordinary efforts you will get full marks. So full marks in the study is 3 points. Likewise for understanding you have from 0 to 3 points. For completeness, if it is less than 60%, 1 point. Above 50% but below 80%, this is 2 points. Above 80% and below 100%, 3 points. If you have answered all the questions, you will get 4 points. So how to do the assignment? First of all, select all these, then Control C, press Control C, then go down here, you push add submission, and you'll find the text editor window. Here you go and press Control V. So all the questions are shown here. You can also, you should increase the size of this window with the help of this right bottom corner. Okay, so I increase it to so that I can see it properly. Now question number 1, describe the circumstances leading to the outbreak of revolutionary protests in France. Click the answer here and just type your answer whatsoever it is. I'm just giving you the example. Similarly right here you will Come to the second question and type the answer. Write the answer of the third phrase and answer of the fourth question. Once you finish it, press the save changes. Okay, and then don't forget to press the button submit assignment. Okay, then here is some undertaking. This assignment is my own work, except where I have acknowledged the use of the words to of other people. So click this button and press continue. Go back to the course main page. Now the last learning activity is the discussion assignment. Here you have discussion topic. What message have you learned from the French Revolution? So you will press discuss this topic and then press reply button here. And here the question is written and you can type your answer whatsoever you would like to share. And then you press post to the forum. Press continue. Your answer is also shown here. Then press the course main link. So you have done with the weekly activities. If you click the final quiz button and you show that this quiz will not be available until Wednesday, February 5th, 2014. So you cannot attempt this quiz before this particular date, but the format of the final quiz will be similar as you have seen in the practice quiz. So when you will finish with the final quiz, you cannot see the feedback report as you have seen in the practice quiz, but you can if you go to the grade book, you will find the grades that you have achieved in the final exam. So that's all in this video lesson. Thank you very much.